Home Remedies presents.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Home Remedies. All the ladies out there, I can easily say that today is your lucky day, because in this video I'm going to show you how to make a homemade hair removal to get rid of those stubborn little hairs forever. This homemade hair removal is even better than hair waxing. Every woman's nightmare are those little small hairs on their cheeks, forehead, or even on their neck. In time, the small little hairs becomes even thicker and darker because of the hormonal influence. So if you have this problem, then you should definitely try this very simple but extremely effective recipe. And I also think that all ladies would agree that the biggest problem with the classic waxing methods is the appearance of acne and redness. Well, this usually happens when it comes to the sensitive skin parts such as the face. This means that you should definitely try this simple but effective homemade hair remover. You just need 3 simple ingredients. Yes, 3 ingredients, and that's it. You can make the most powerful and most effective homemade hair remover. You will need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon of oatmeal powder, 2 tablespoons of organic honey, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Here's what you need to do. In a small bowl, mix all the ingredients until you get a thick paste. Just apply this mixture on the facial areas where unwanted hair is located. Then you should make a circular motion and let it stand for 15 minutes. After that, you need to scrub the skin against the direction of the hair and rinse it with lukewarm water. Now you can apply your usual moisturizer. Repeat this method 2 to 3 times a week. In 1 month, all the unwanted hair will disappear. If you use this method for 1 month, you will notice that the hair will disappear permanently. Note: be careful because lemon causes photosensitivity, which means that you need to apply this remedy only in the evening. About the ingredients. Oatmeal has a granular texture, which gives its scrubbing and exfoliating features. This ingredient will help you cleanse your skin and also help remove the unwanted hair. You should also know that this powerful ingredient is loaded with antioxidants that protect the healthy cells of the body and prevent aging of the skin. Moreover, a basic oatmeal mask is very effective to close the pores and reduce excessive sebum production, which is causing blackheads and pimples. For this, mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with a lukewarm water. Honey has the powerful antiseptic properties. This super healthy ingredient improves and speeds up the regeneration process and accelerates the healing process of the skin. In addition, the natural sugars helps moisturize the skin deeply by facilitating the attachment of water molecules. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, which means that it promotes collagen synthesis and reduces the production of melanin. You should also know that this pigment is responsible for brown spots. Lemon also has astringent properties that have the ability to tighten and drain the tissues by accelerating their healing. Lemon also has clearing properties that remove age spots permanently. It is rich in antioxidants that prevent the appearance of wrinkles. I really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. For more amazing recipes, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.